After stitching it, running the normal stitches on the basted area, you just snip off the thread which you used to baste and pull it out. It is easy to do that. Just pull it out. If your machine ran over somewhere and got it stuck, use your snipping scissors to pull it out. And here we are. You have stitched this portion. I'm going on to stitch another remaining portion to get my resizing, upsizing, mending, alteration finally done. So if you're still watching, thank you for your patience. This is the next side to be stitched. I have brought it out the same way. And like I told you about basting, it's also basted properly too. Yes, so I'm done doing it. The sleeve, the armhole has been repaired. It has come back. The shoulder slope has been mended the way it was. The neckline also, look at the sewing. Look at the inside, properly altered, amended, like people from this part of the globe will call it. I'm still trimming up the basting thread. You know, you pull it out, some get stuck in there, but look properly. Use either your snipping scissors or your seam ripper. Very carefully done. You remove it, you know, and there you are. Snip it off. You won't have any thread popping up and making your work untidy. Look at it. Look closely, nicely done. So, this dress has come back to life. For those of you working class that have beautiful dresses you don't want to lose or to even gift to someone, please contact Sew with Teresa and have your clothes mended and worn back. Now this phase is completed. Let me go to the next phase of mending the torn lining neatly. So when you turn it over, you won't see all of these torn areas. You know, when we get bulky as women, the lining of our dresses and skirts bust out. So I'll do that next. And when you're doing it, make sure you go through the same line so it doesn't bust out again. Do it neatly. All the bust areas, you trim it off after sewing using the overlock machine. I'll get to that stage and I will show it to you. So watch closely to the end this video. If you look well, you can see that the dominant area that always bursts in our clothes as ladies are the hip and the leg side, the end of it, as we take steps back and forth. And the hip, as nature creates the expansion. I told you about using the overlock machine to knitting out that which you have also sewn on the lining. The fact that it is the lining of the clothing does not make you leave it look rough. So after stitching it with the other sewing machine, I have come to knitting these rough edges. Look at it. I don't like how it looks. I will knitting it with the overlock machine. We call it serging. So I'll serge it and it will look neat. Let's go. Insist on having the inside and the outside of the cloth that your seamstress has made for you. Insist that it looks neat, you feel good, and you have a right to pay for a good work. Mentally, you feel good that what you are wearing is well sewn. Look at it. Can you see it closely? Look at it. It looks fine. All of those whatever removed. Yes, tiny, but don't bother. That is what you paid for, to be done for you. Look at it. You can see the amount of good work I'm sticking out my time to ensure I do on this sewing project. Look at how rough this place is because of the pressure on it as it was being worn. But you see to what extent I have tidied it up. And finally it will be stitched and overlocked. I'm still working on it. My good nature and hobby of loving to make things better is the reason I love alteration. You know, it takes time. You go through a longer process, but the end result is that dress comes back and become as good as new, and you can wear it and feel good, especially when you do not want to discard it or gift it to someone else. Yes, it's still a work in progress. Keep watching. If you're getting value from this video, please click the like button. Share for someone else to see. And if you have not subscribed, it's so good to subscribe at this point. That's the only way to support me. And a final way to support me is to bring all the ones in your house that has this kind of problem and you desire to bring them back to life. Bring them to me. I'll leave my contact, my link at the description box. Bring them. It will be as good as new for you to wear, and feel good. Nothing good comes easy. Please bring it to me. I'll give it life again. Look at all that I'm going through to get the lining especially refurbished. Straightening it out. And so, this alteration sewing project has come to an end. I hope you like this video. Click the like button. I hope you got value. Share for someone else to see. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Sew with Teresa teaches sewing in its simplest form. Simplest form. Difficult sewing projects she makes easy for you by the step-by-step approach my tutorials show for it. And finally, bring your clothes to the link I shall drop at the description box. Bring your clothes. I'll give them life again. So, thank you for watching to this end. This is the end of this alteration sewing project. I'm done finally. Look at it. See this place? Look at it. See the shoulder slant, shoulder slope. You see the armhole. I'm not supposed to show you the lining from here. I did that as it was placed on the table. But this is it. I like my armhole to sit properly. I do not like such space that will show certain inner wears. So this is it. Thank you for watching to this end indeed. Please stay with Sew with Teresa. Subscribe to my channel. Share my sewing projects and do like it by clicking the like button. I upload very many sewing projects with step-by-step approach to the outcome. Thank you for watching to this end. Goodbye.